Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Making money through Flexoffers involves utilizing its affiliate marketing platform to promote various products or services from their extensive network of advertisers. Start by signing up for Flexoffers and exploring their marketplace to find advertisers that align with your niche, interests, or target audience. Select products or services that resonate with your audience and have the potential to generate interest and sales. Once you've chosen relevant offers, create compelling and engaging content to promote these products or services. This content could be in the form of blog posts, reviews, social media posts, email newsletters, or videos. Ensure that your content adds value to your audience, addresses their needs, and encourages them to take action, such as clicking on your affiliate links. Utilize various marketing channels to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Implement SEO strategies to optimize your content for search engines, increasing its visibility. Engage with your audience through social media, email marketing, or other channels to promote the affiliate products authentically. Consider using paid advertising, such as PPC campaigns, if it aligns with your strategy and budget. Regularly analyze your performance metrics and track the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Through the Flexoffers platform, monitor click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings generated from your affiliate links. Use this data to identify high-performing offers, optimize your promotional strategies, and refine your content to improve your overall earnings potential. Remember, success in affiliate marketing with Flexoffers requires dedication, understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and continuous optimization of your marketing strategies. It's essential to adhere to ethical marketing practices and provide genuine recommendations to your audience to build trust and drive conversions.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.